phase 1. 90 the Google map reply, thank you, I will take you to Lekki phase 1. 90 guy move, as he move, the guy say, when you get to your right, take left, he take. When you get to the front, take right, he take. When you get to this junction, take left, the taxi man take. As we dey go, 90 somebody, 90 guy when they find you, come call us, say, I beg, I don't change route, oh, I don't change route. Make una meet me for Jegule. 90 guy will come carry, you come tell the guy, I make you change, I make you change. As he does the press, dong, he come put am, back am, the route change. The voice of the app just change. 90 guy say, you are welcome, where wanna they go now? This one I don't change this thing now. 90 guys say, the guy put am, they move. The guy say, take left, he take left, they go. Take right, he take right, they go. Small time, first third main down breathe. 90 voice change. My brother, if now you never tire by now. You never tire by now. When I travel abroad, I tell you they pay 1,000. Last week, my friend go marry for Imo State. Just to go north. If
one and a half years, so we do we follow. But they laugh, and what's the problem? Then they shout, Nigeria steal, and Israel will reap the steal. 2 minutes. Now they laugh. I believe that by now men don't know say you cannot mess with women. If women mean you, now they say what you was always do. Move from one balogun to another balogun. I just say that she get balogun market for sure. Now they laugh, and very serious issues happen. That's why I always talk say no problem. This life no balance. This life no balance. That's why man he that went the street I get more Instagram followers than Mama Josh wey be just pastors. Even pastors dey follow Maida. When I don't follow Olowo Kokoro channel, they do Instagram live video. They get 14,000 views. Maida they do praise and worship same time. Maida get 142,000 views. Pastors they Maida page for night when they pray. I don't know which church. I see one pastor Matthew. They try to open it. I say na Bible. This life no balance. That's why Allah we go ahead. People say Baba is here. Get more Instagram followers than people when they pray for people. So on judgment day, God sees the followers line like that, and then they will struggle. You know, shock you now. Some pastors will go back of flavor and go. Judgment day go too sweet now. That's you. I think I said, well, my pastor wants to stop and not do the issue.
Good evening. How na dey now? Hello. How na dey now? Abeg una respond o. The same hardship una dey go through am. The same bad road una dey drive, na dey drive. The same Buhari wey dey lead una, na be my president. So all of us dey go through the same problem. Amen. I like this country. Last month, I don't want to clap for Bobby. You get why? What that means for this hard economy. And I cried. The tears not they pass here. It is stop from here. You know they come down. They don't want to spoil the makeup. One person they always hold handkerchief to clean here. She can't they cry. I can't they shock. But they smile. I say if I buy a car of 25 million, wait, and they talk rubbish. If I buy a car of 2 million, give woman. Now me will control your emotion. And they behave like Nigerian politicians. Now only what in favor on how they do. All those ouch, ew, door, now they copy. The important that one, when I know they copy. For a place like London, if you invite a babe on a date, she go pay her transport, come. Anything wanna chop, wanna go split bill. For Nigeria, if you invite a babe on a date, you go pay their transport because she not go come alone. When they copy important thing. For Mexico, women won't protest oppression of women in Mexico. How they do the protest? All of them come street, naked themselves, stark naked, they protest. Nigerian girls, if una copy something like that, Nigeria will crash. Una know they copy important thing. Cristiano Ronaldo girlfriend, a day after they play the Champions League winning bonus, his girlfriend break up with her that night. I got the shock. No Nigerian girl will break up with her boyfriend the day after he collects salary. They go tell me, James, I would have broken up with you, but I'm going to wait till on the 15th. Because they don't say every salary and they broke on 15th. 16th, she don't run. One girl from Philippines, a Filipino girl, 19 years old, she sold her virginity to a Hong Kong businessman for 3.2 million pounds. Virginity. I can't think all those Lagos girls will be given their virginity to Blackberry Conform. How they will feel? But guess why they shock for the Unilag girls? Unilag girls, they give their virginity to the holder of the highest shawarma. What's it called? I'm not mentioning Russia, mention another one. Ethiopia, for Africa. Imagine Maid and a president. No Boko Haram go throw bomb. Nobody go break pipeline. As soon as I start, we're going to throw bomb. We're going to president will just call you. Come to the presidential villa. We just say, you want to die? Do you want to die? You go say, yes, we'll die. Touch Bobby. As you touch, you go back and ask you, do you still want to die? No, I'm not dying again. All this way, Nigeria don't do it for World Cup. Maid and a president, maybe when they play match, we don't get first half, Argentina they beat us 4-0. President will just enter dressing room. Miguel, what are you doing? Why are you people playing like this? Argentina is beating you 4-0. Are they more than you? Miguel, you need motivation. Bring your head. Now other players want the envy. You go tell them, don't worry. If you can win this match, you will come to the presidential villa. All of you will suck Bobby. Eh? Miguel was scored 19 goals. That time when Moses is the father, Miguel was the one now. Moses not follow. Not spoil my chances of sucking presidential Bobby. It goes sweet. And when they come with better things. For abroad, I like abroad. They have a law where if you say they have freedom of speech, but you don't fit talk anyhow. Nigeria, we don't get freedom of speech, but you can talk anyhow. In places like America, if you tell somebody you are mad, the person will carry you go court, you go check your mental state. Nigeria, now we remind you, but look me at the man. I don't call this before. True story. One guy from America, billionaire, Donald Trump, the current president. One guy called him millionaire instead of billionaire. He sued them for $14 million and he won. I can't think if we sue people for Nigeria. First people went up for sue, now barbers. Yes. Now only this country, you enter barber shop, everywhere go fine. You go see mirror, you go see fine painting, you go see posters like that, we contain over 200 beautiful hairstyles. The barber must have about anyone. It is quite people head. And for sure, they have 10 million naira. The last people when I for sure, now makeup artists. Makeup artists, before they say beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, now beauty lies in the hands of the makeup artist. Now this Lagos, you go club, carry gear because of makeup. You reach us in the morning, you can't discover saying that Bobrisky you carry. Eh? I pursue them for 20 million naira. The next people when I pursue, now my great grandparents, during slave trade era, why they wrong? They for just wait, make slave traders catch them, beat them small, put them inside boat, go America. By now, and for the black American comedian when they become this show. Good night, guys.
Wait, I will call DJ. Because when they call me, I don't hear one clap. One. All right, ladies mic greet now. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. You know there is to do show for a poor hotel. I beg, if you love a cappella, put your hands together for him. Alright, the country don't red. I don't need to talk, I will know. The way where this country dey now, only God, me and you need. Buhari or Atiku. Because before change come, I kill myself. Now I don't repent. It go shock you. Buhari people vote for Atiku. No kill yourself. This Nigeria why they nothing they surprise me again. Nothing. What it shocked me. Now when I hear say Lai Mohammed, I be a guy before, but that thing where you talk, say Nigeria will attack Israel. Personally, I have Nigerians, all of you now. I send message give Israel on behalf of Nigerians. Say that thing where Lai Mohammed talk, you know that address the real Israel. Now this Israel where they stay for my compound. From the answer. We. What do you want to fight Israel? Israel will get spiritual backup. No people want to fight them. So I don't tell them they live there. They live like Mohammed. You know say here how you get that club, come out the next day, stop anything. So like Mohammed just go one club, flex finish, come that thing. You know me now, he's a comedian. So, if you do stay like here, shall you hear me now? Ladies and gentlemen, the way our country is going, so many things now they happen. Now, everybody they do Yoruba, Hausa, Calabar. We not find our only manners. They stay here. Now, Yoruba boys don't join them. Because not today, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, my father is a man that is very proud. That was when he had money, not be now. The man don't know yet. My father will come back from work. You will just see everybody running around. Baby, here is your mother. Here is my food. All of us go they run around. Yes, because he spent money. But now when you now know the people come more money, if you just come, only and they walk straight to dining. Because once you shout, my mother shout, give her. Hey! You bring money. I will go chop your food. Last time when you come back, you go drink. You don't forget say, you no drop money. Money where drop no reach anything. It is now before. As you just come back, hey, Mama Benji, where is my food? You never even shout, my mama said, what is wrong with you? Come on, go to the dining and eat your food. As the man entered dining, open plate, the soup they black, only and short. Mama baby, which kind of soup is this? Mama said, no shop, how much you drop? 700 naira. I buy everything for market. Money no reach buy oil. Now you making oil computer. Ladies and gentlemen, for those of you who know the enter boss, now no one understand what I want to do. How be say I don't get motor? I say I just enter bus to don't see. I never say I smoke no day. Boys when they thief phone, they don't get different ways to the thief phone. Before you inside motor, you dey like this. They want to keep your phone. If your phone dey your front pocket, the guy will want to go straight down to the window. Like say one open the window, you go use the other hand, remove your phone. So many people don't learn and know they work again. The new style, me went inside Sochi, iPhone 6, where they use manage. The guy will want to keep my phone, I sit down here, me I dey here. As photo they go, wait here now. see, as the guy squeezed my body, I dodged. As I dodged, he used hand took my phone. He come off small. I don't know. Me when I want to be phone, I dey tell the guy, bless you, bless you. Bless you, bless you. People can't join me. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Small time. You go and do the same thing. Me, I dodge again. The guy, shoot, the phone only reach up and no low. The third time, as the guy sneeze, I see say person come up for front. Now say, driver, abeg wait, make I go front. The guy tell me say no, why hold on, it remains small. The guy tell me it remains small, I don't know what's in me. I say, what you mean say no sneeze again? Say, you don't reach. Now first keep balance. The guy come again. As you do the third one, now quick stand up. As I dey stand up, my phone don't go. As my phone go, you know when you lose your phone, you no go know. Motor don't move. Now you realize say my pocket no tight like before. No limit. God, I beg, make you not make you a thing. I don't buy this phone. Hey, my phone almost! As I drink and I cry, my phone. One guy just near me, young man, are you a new person in Nigeria? In Lagos. Don't you know if you enter bus, you buy jacket, pin your phone. See my own. As the guy go to his phone, they don't give up. I two of us got a place. Now, finally, before I go, I always do this joke. My joke. You know, so many comedians say, they can't talk, you don't know who get joke. All the jokes I talk are my own, who I clap are my own. I grab this one now, they don't pick up. The day we got to punish them, I don't go there. Now, one of my guy, big boy, I give my chairman. The guy they drive, let's give us sport, today old. Yeah, the dear robber. The guy they go in Keja for Tomeland Bridge, big boy. Come jam one guy when they drive Passat, 1964 model. As he hit the guy, the rich guy come down. Say, young man, please, I'm sorry. I will fix it for you, okay? The guy they don't get waiting. We never get money, see road. We never get money, see road. See my car, you don't money, number. The guy they carry for motor, we don't know the difference between Range Rover Sport. And Passat 1964 model, say, why are you starting with that one? Why not take this man and break his side mirror? And the guy here, baby, now carrying this man now. Break the guy's side mirror. The thief break the guy, now give him for pocket. Quick! Call Ladipo. Hello, is that Ladipo? He say, yes. Please, how much is bumper of Passat 1964 model? They say, okay, original is 1,000. China is 800. The man said, okay, supply you 15. They supply 15. If this one, then the guy is 14. Now the guy is you only know Ladipo. See you. Now he's there to have your pocket. Hello? Now, please, how much is a side mirror of Range Rover Sport? New one. Should I network, baby? You know the yellow car they come? Hello? I said Range Rover Sport. Side mirror. I said side mirror, not with the full car. What is the top? Side mirror. Is that much? Wait, original is how much? Which country is this now? Original 8.5. Ladies and gentlemen, that's my class. God bless you. All right. Good evening, Lagos. Lagos people, I know they answer greeting for here. You know, say now only for your land you go come. Start before elders, if you don't greet, no problem. Now why they greet you now before and I say this boy don't get pride. Good evening, Lagos. I've been for no people there for here. Now only Yoruba people you go start for their front. Yoruba people they greet for everything. In the morning you go hear Akaro. In the afternoon Akaso. In the evening Akulare. In the evening, in the night Akale. You stand Akudro. You sit down Akujogo. You mess Akuso. Amram visited my house. They made the one with my laptop and my phone. The next morning, my mother was sitting there. I'm looking at the laptop. I said, even this never proper the way they just do so. I said the new aspirant, APC aspirant, go to Congress, tell the sitting governor after the primary, he said, I'm losing you. Lagos people will not do their pocket. I came for tablet. They do my thing. I got my friends. They tell me I want to come Lagos now for Lagos if they happen. Come Lagos now for Lagos if they happen. My people, I don't come Lagos almost 6 months. Nothing don't happen back. Wallahi, before now, I used to say that I have arrived. I thought I have made it. Until this present regime, when dollar price rise, now they are not say I never make anything. Lagos girls, I take God beguna. No be all of una go marry rich man. Everybody was praying for his heart desire. I asked my sister, open her mouth. When she brought out something on my picture of her. She lifted my picture, was praying seriously. I'll prove it to you. When I was born, now you're the head of the home. But my father, when you were there,
Thank you.
all right, thank you very much. That was some time.
Come back yesterday and he bought bread. And they laugh. My uncle buy bread, come in house. You know, say, get away your house to dark, but you still know your way around. My uncle just enter kitchen, open fridge, carry something, they run for bread. You know, say that Nivea cream. My uncle chop bread with Nivea cream. He turn the bleach. I beg. You see this way they tell you, say, they go to warn you, say, Emeka, show us the girl and go to sleep. That word na scam. If you never ready to marry, no answer them all. Show us the girl and go to sleep. When you ready, and those your friends will first you sleep. No go rush. Girls will tell you, say, you know I'm from Enugu, our price is 1,500. Nah, scam. If you go to the village, the full marriage list, 1 million never sort about. When I escort one guy, go marry, somewhere for Enugu. The guy go to print the marriage list, he come back, say the thing was too bulky, they no fit even step plan. They can't give us the marriage list for flash drive. So you now go back. Speak at the work. But that will not pay me. You don't spread. They disturb everybody. Now you won't make announcements. Comedian won't make announcements for the show. The mic you got the echo. And you go, it sound like say you be ghost. I'm surprised that go on and they announce make women come carry their food. Wait till they have the microphone. People off. Jaba, women, association. Come on, carry your rice. Upon the one that I don't talk ghosts.
Guys hang out by themselves. Then they enjoy themselves, enjoy their money. But once you say guys don't mix with girls, and the boys they spend, and the girls they enjoy. Just imagine 2 guys walk out with 2 girls, then enter bar. Then bring money for them. Everybody don't order, they drink, they chop, enjoy. Now they don't chop finish, they won't go out. You can't be say the door of the bar, they record customer sales so that they go know who they will appreciate at the end of the day. Now the 2 girls now they don't dey front. You know say when girls don't chop your money, then they walk out fast to go out. The 2 girls now they dey front, and then they approach the door. The door will come dey record between these 2 girls. You come here, big shawarma 3008. Big suya 2004. Smell of ice, half crate. Then this last one, I don't know how girls take like this thing. I don't know whether I won't work for us. We come here, shisha 6,200. We come for total 31,500. Just 2 girls. Now the 2 idiot boys will pay the money. They don't get near the door. And they approach the door the first side. Just 2 sticks of Benson. And 1 bottle of Agol's water. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what I got to say.
Be like 10 or 12 hours, give quick notice. Only 6 months, you get. And you know, say if they give quick notice, now the agent to your friend. Not do. It's when you try to no. You know, I often notice where about they call music primary, this song on sweet. The way they play for my head, man. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for my mom, my master, to Papa. Today is my birthday. When I clap for me now. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. I'm 30 today. Thank you. Today is his birthday as well. Dedication his birthday as well. Thank you. And our birthday. To Baba, God bless you. You inspire me a lot. Sincerely. Every day, in fact, I want to name my children according with you. You will be their godfather. Your mistake.